Good morning, students of 9th standard. Today I'll be telling you or teaching you the lesson that is the fall of Troy. The fall of Troy, page number that is 40, part 1. Okay, and in this lesson I am going to tell you the characters. The characters you can see in page number 42. If you are having, you can see the different characters. Now I will tell you the characters of this lesson. Now the first character is the Homer. Homer is a blind poet or a singer who has recited and passed down his songs, and this Homer has two famous written poems or songs, that is, or the literature. Okay, two famous literature, that is the Iliad and the Odyssey. And he was well known in the English literature. We have the other characters, that is the Hector and the Odysseus, Achilles, then Helen. Helen is the female character over here. She is actually the wife of a Greek king, that is, the name is Menelaus. The Greek king's wife is Helen, and the king's wife is Helen, as I told you, and this Helen belongs to Greek, and the king of Greek is named, that is, Menelaus. Okay. Now two places are mentioned here, that is the Greek and the Trojan. These people, those who are living in Troy, they are known as Trojans. Okay. And in this chapter, the actual story is from the Iliad, which tells us about the prosperity of the Troy and the war between the Trojan and the Greek. Now, in our Indian, we have two famous book, that is epic book, that is the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. Now, before I tell you much about the story, let me tell you about the city of Troy, or the Troy city. How was the Troy city? Okay, how was the Troy city? Troy was well situated. In front of it, it was a sea over which sailed the ships of Troy, carrying goods and grains. At the back rose the high peak of mountain, that is Elda, from which flowed many rivers and streams. The valleys were well watered and fertile. Cattle fed on rich grasses of the meadows, while sheep fed on the slopes of the hills. Now, how this Troy city was protected? Now, this Troy city had built a strong wall around the city so that no enemy should enter or attack them from the sea. There were huge gates in the walls. In times of war, the gates could be closed, and then the city was like a strong fortress, quite safe from all the attack. Okay, this was the descriptions of the Troy city. Now, the war cause between the two cities, that is the Greek and the Trojan. Okay. Now here the name Paris. Okay. He is the prince of Troy. Paris, the king of Troy. And what he had done, listen to it very carefully. Paris, a prince of Troy, had persuaded Helen. That means Paris, the prince of Troy, he had taken away the wife of Greek king, that is Menelaus. The wife of Greek king was Helen. Who had brought Helen? That is Troy, from the city Troy, the princess. That name of the prince is Paris. Okay. He had brought her to Troy. The Greeks wanted to take revenge on Troy for the wrong done to whom? To the king. That is Menelaus. King of Greek was Menelaus. This was the cause of the 10-year war between the Greeks and the Trojan. Okay. Now, how they have won, or for how many years the war had taken place? The war has taken place for nearly 10 years. Okay. Now listen. The Odysseus advised the Greek. That means Odysseus is a character from the Greek side. So he advised the Greek to build a great wooden horse big enough to hold men inside them. Some of their best fighters could hide inside the horse. Then when they could burn their tent and pretend to sail away in their ship, but instead of sailing away they could return at midnight. One man would be left behind with the horse to pursue the Trojans, to drag the horse into their city. After the horse with the soldiers had entered the city, at the appropriate time the door in the horse could be opened, and the soldiers hiding inside could attack the Troy. Gates could be opened to allow the remaining soldiers from the ships to assist them. Then the Trojan rejoiced by seeing the big horse, and they have cut their gates or walls to take the huge horse into the palace or into their city, that is the Troy. Now listen, the horse was so big. Okay, how did they have taken the wooden horse? Now it was not enough to use the wooden horse to hide. It had to be taken inside the city. To achieve this, a Greek who had been left behind for this very purpose said that the horse had been left behind as an offer to the god of the sea. It had been made very big so that the Trojan could not take it inside their city. If they did so, the luck would go to the Trojans and not to the Greek. When they heard this, the Trojan wanted to take it inside the city, and they broke walls to do so. When they have broke the walls to take the huge horse inside the horse, great or brave fighters were hiding inside the horse. When the horse was taken inside the Troy city, that time all the soldiers came out of the horse and they started fighting and burning the whole Troy. And after that, the Greeks people, they have taken the Helen, who had belonged to the king, that is Menelaus, and they have gone. Okay, this is a central idea of the story. Yes, students? Okay, here I stop.